Okay, so this is a little thing I found out with my Zippo where it looks like the flame hovers above the actual wick. So hopefully it does it now. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's just a regular silver flip top Zippo. Got a inscribed there. It's November 2010. Model of Zippo, so nothing special, but so let's hope it does it. Here we go. I'm really hoping it does it really good now, so you guys can see it. And there you go. Oh, there it is. Huh? So sometimes it does that, sometimes it doesn't. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Thank you.